Singer and television personality Ray J has revealed that he is facing serious heart complications and is currently taking 8 different medications as part of an intensive treatment plan prescribed by his doctors. Speaking in a recent interview, Ray J said physicians have expressed deep concern about his condition and have been unable to give a clear timeline regarding his life expectancy. According to him, doctors advise strict bed rest and emphasize the importance of following his medication regimen closely. Ray J previously shared with fans that doctors warned he may have only months to live, saying he does not believe he will make it to 2027. He disclosed that nearly half of his heart tissue has been severely damaged and that his heart is functioning at approximately 60% capacity. Among the medications prescribed are Lipitor, Jardiance, and Entresto drugs commonly used to manage cholesterol and treat patients at high risk of heart failure. Doctors have also informed him that he may need a pacemaker or a defibrillator in the near future, though a final decision will depend on the results of further tests scheduled in about 2 weeks. Medical professionals have strongly advised Ray J to avoid alcohol and smoking. He admitted that making these lifestyle changes has been difficult, but said he is committed to improving his health. He also spoke emotionally about being separated from his children due to an existing criminal protective order, saying the situation deeply affected him and motivated him to reevaluate his life choices. Despite ongoing instability in Haiti, Ray J said he is still considering traveling there after researching alternative treatments. He claims to believe the country may offer remedies for serious illnesses, including heart disease, and says he is willing to take the risk in hopes of recovery. Concluding his remarks, Ray J expressed optimism despite the circumstances, stating that if he survives the ordeal, he believes it will make him stronger and a better person.
2027 is definitely a wrap for me.
No, don't say that, brother. Don't say that. No, fuck the doctor. No, don't say that. Because when you say that, you're confirming what the doctor
that's
said.
what they said. I don't
No, fuck them.
But
fuck what they said, brother. You're gonna live long.
Guess what?
You're gonna live long to see your children grow up. Yes, nigga. Nobody ever told you this. You're gonna live long to see your children grow up. Have children too. Real shit. Nigga, nah, nigga. Fuck what doctor tell you your time is done. No, fuck that. Nigga. Your neighbor is a doctor. So watching this and you think that Ray's days are counted, I'm here to tell you.
It don't matter if my days
No, they're not. They're not. His days are not counted.
But guess what?
More life to the brother.
My baby mama gonna be straight.
More life to the brother.
My kids gonna be straight. If they want to spend all the money, they can spend it. But I did my part here.
That's okay. But we're not gonna spend. You have more life, my brother. You have more life. No, brother.
I shouldn't have went this hard, bro.
You should have. Because if you didn't, who was going to? Who was going to, my
And
brother?
then when it's all done, burn me. Don't bury me.
I just wanna fuck all me.
More life to Ray J. More life to my brother. More blessings, more abundance.
Fuck all of them. I just wanna fuck all of them. Fuck all of them. Put a little love in it. Put a little bit.
Put a little love in it.
This shit's serious, y'all.
Put
It's
a
serious.
little love in it.
I gotta do one more checkup
Put
tomorrow.
a little love in it.
My mama,
Fuck all of them.
my mama and my daddy coming to pick me up tomorrow. And they're gonna take me to the checkup. But shout out to my mom and daddy, and shout out to Brandy. Shout out to Brandy for looking out for me. She paid my bills for me. For the rest of the year. My sister paid my bills for the rest of the year. That's crazy. On like 4 or 5 bottles a day, 10 Addies. Fuck my heart up on the right side right here. It's like black. It's like done. Niggas bringing me coconut water and telling me I gotta go to Haiti and do some voodoo, which I think I'm going to Haiti, cause I think Haiti and my Haitian niggas they got the cure. So I'm going to Haiti like in like 2 weeks, and I'ma stream it. I'ma do everything, but I fucked up. Like, you know why? Because I thought that I think I thought I was a bigger nigga, like I had more weight. I thought I was a big nigga, so I'm like, I can handle all the alcohol, like I can handle all the Adderall, like I can handle all the drugs, I can handle everything, but I couldn't. My shit fucked up, and it curved my time here. It curved all my time here. You know what I'm saying? I fucked my shit up real bad. I didn't think so though. I'm like rolling around like this, like damn, like yo, I'm going so hard. I'm on like 4 or 5 bottles a day, 10 Addies. I'm like, ain't nothing happening to me. Fuck it, I'm indestructible. The joke's on me. Take care of yourself, y'all. Gotta go to the doctor tomorrow.
Niggas.
Hey, yo, high life forever. I respect that, but chill out. Like I said what I said. I can't be 150 feet away from my baby mama or my kids, so my kids got at least 10 million in their account. They'll probably blow that shit when they get 18. They get 10 million apiece, probably. They gonna blow that shit quick. They might be smarter than me though. They might take it and turn it into a new business, man. I love my baby mama more than anything.
Anything. No,
And she don't know how drastic the time is that I got, but
shit, it's life. Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? If I could drive over to like where my baby mama is with my kids right now and just spend time with them for like the next 2 or 3 months, I would do that, but
hell yeah.
I got a criminal protective order where I can't see him.
That just happens to be life, man. Real nigga shit.
A nigga got a CPO that's heavy.
Real life problem.
I can't be 150 feet away from my baby mama or my kids, so I haven't been able to see him.
But you will though.
I got court on the 30th. Nigga can't see my kids. Like I ain't been able to see my kids through their birthdays, through Christmas, through none of that. On a nigga last days too. That shit fucked up.